All right, so we're about to explore a new trail. Found it on the map. Looked pretty cool. Looks like it might have some dispersed camping and be near some lakes. And so we're gonna head down the road. And before we get started, we're gonna air down and put it in four-wheel drive because it always makes the ride a little bit smoother and does a little bit less damage to the road. So let's get to it. We like to use these little deflators that are preset to the PSI that we like to air down to. So we just take the cap off. We always store it up there on top of the wheel and then let her rip. Continue at a slow, steady pace. Continue. All right, so we think we found a good dispersed campsite here, but sometimes something we do is go and scout it on foot just to see if the conditions are good and someone's already on the site, or it's muddy, or whatever might happen. I do not believe anyone is here, and I think it's probably a good site. So this tree here is a good example of something we would want to scout, because we'd have to cut it or see if there's another route. It looks like there is a alternate route though, so that's good. And then we got this cool campsite. Looks pretty great, so I think we might come in here and give it a whirl. While it was a beautiful campsite, there were a lot of bugs and a lot of mosquitoes. A few times we ran outside the camper, running around or basking in the wind trying to keep the bugs off us, but even with head-to-toe clothing and bug spray, there was no way to really be outside for a long period of time. It's probably due to the burn area that is south of the campsite. It's a large area from a previous historical burn, and there's just standing water and standing dead trees. We decided it was time to move on to another camp. We loved the site, and as much as we wanted to paddle the lake, it seemed like we would be eaten alive by the bugs. We love dispersed camping. It's an awesome way to get out there, explore and discover things along the way, and have an awesome place to camp and play. We hope to see you out there one day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to be notified about future trips, guides, and gear, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, see you out there.